Hello everyone. Today we will be dealing with the chapter Sound. The first question to be addressed is, how is sound produced? We have seen musical instruments like guitar, violin, etc. When we pluck the string, we hear a sound. We have seen a tuning fork vibrating. Even when we stretch a rubber band and pluck on it, it will produce a buzzing sound. So, in general, the answer to the question how sound is produced is, sound is produced by the vibration of objects. Vibration of objects. So, what do you mean by the term vibration? Vibration refers to the rapid to and fro motion of an object. Vibration is the to and fro motion of an object. So, you have already studied the term oscillation in your standard 7. That is also a to and fro motion, but it is happening quite slowly. But if it happens very rapidly, we can say that it is vibration. So what is it? Rapid to and fro motion of an object is called vibration. So how is sound produced? Sound is produced by the vibration of objects. And what do you mean by vibration? Vibration is the rapid to and fro motion of an object. So let us analyze what is happening around us. In the case of musical instruments, the musical instruments are classified into three. The first category of musical instrument, we call it as string instruments. The second category of instruments, we call it as percussion instruments. And third category, we call it as wind instrument. Can you give me some examples of the string instrument? Think about it. We know that the string instruments are ek tara that you have studied in your standard 8. Then it's violin, veena, guitar. These are all examples of string instruments. Percussion means the instruments which produce sound by stretched membranes. It can be tholak, mridangam, tabla. These are all examples of percussion instruments. And wind instruments where the air column inside it is vibrating. For example, harmonium is an example of a wind instrument. Flute is an example of a wind instrument. In all these cases, we understand that something is vibrating in all these three types of instruments. In string instruments, what is vibrating? A stretched string is vibrating. All the stretched strings are having different area of cross sections so that they produce different frequencies. The second category is percussion instruments where the stretched membrane is producing sound, and in the case of wind instruments the air column is producing sound. In your textbook there is an activity where a tuning fork is vibrated and a thermocol ball is set near it. So what happens is that every time the tuning fork vibrates, here we can see that a massless ball or a ball with a less mass also vibrates accordingly. This vibration can be transferred to this ball. So to sum up, sound is produced by the vibration of objects, and vibration is the rapid to and fro motion of an object, and these vibrations can be transmitted from one body to another. There is another example given in your textbook that there is a beaker with water, and when we touch it with an excited tuning fork, what happens is that some waves are produced in this. So to sum up, vibrations can be transmitted. Vibrations are the rapid to and fro motion of objects, and sound is produced by the vibration of objects.